Hello, today I am going to be unboxing the MacBook Air M1. So here you can see it says 8 GB memory in RAM and 256 GB SSD. Let's open the seal now. So we open the seal this slowly. This is the Apple's original seal, you can see. So here we have opened the seal, and now let's open the box and let's see. So here's the MacBook Air, you can see. As you can see, it's packed and it's in the cover. Let's now open the cover. So this is the opening of the cover. So let's take out carefully. So we have taken out the cover. So here's the MacBook Air M1. So here you can see. So now let's open this from here. So here, this is the screen and it's just turned on, and you can see the keypad, the trackpad. Here in this one you have the thumbprint. So here we have the MacBook. Now let's take out the cover of the screen, and here you can see this is the screen. This is how the MacBook Air M1 starts. Then here we have the MacBook Air charging wire. So you can see it says designed by Apple in California, and the manuals, I guess. Then here you have the adapter. You can see the adapter. This is USB type C. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the USB type C. Please subscribe to my channel, and for more videos please press on the bell icon button.